Hello, welcome to my painting video about daffodils. This is Amber Scott from Mt Nittany Creations, and today we are painting on a cotton-based fiber watercolor paper, and I'm just taping it down to this board, and this is what we're going to paint, these lovely daffodils. So first, I'm going to sketch out the daffodils. The other sketch is mine as well. I had done that on the iPad first to practice. And while we watch me sketch here, I'm going to read a poem by Robert Herrick as I get my paint. So as you can see, I have a white and like an olivey green and a yellow. I've got my paint brushes. I got a scrap piece of paper. So the different brushes I may or may not use. And now we're going to go ahead and paint. Starting, oops, I did not mean to paint that yellow. Oh well, it's like what am I doing here? Meant to paint that green. So we will start over. Thankfully green will go over yellow just fine. So here we go. While I'm painting, I'm going to try and clean up some of this yellow here. To Daffodils by Robert Herrick. Fair daffodils, we weep to see you haste away so soon. As yet the early rising sun has not attained his noon. Stay, stay until the hasting day has run but to the even song, and, having prayed together, we will go with you along. We have short time to stay, as you, we have as short a spring, as quick a growth to meet decay as you or anything. We die as your hours do and dry away, like to the summer's rain, or as the pearls of morning's dew, ne'er to be found again. And daffodils are pretty quick. Daffodils are March's flower of the month, birth flower. And as you can see, I'm trying to get all the leaves and the stem painted in. I'm using acrylic paints this time around on this wonderful, beautiful handmade paper from Leather Village. It's a handmade artisan paper. I just love the way it feels, and the texture is great. So now I want to add, there's some like brown where the flower pokes out of its bud. So I wanted to add that in. If you're watching this and haven't signed up for our monthly art mail yet, you could be receiving a print of this. This is our print of the month. You're watching me paint. Just like the violet painted painting that just posted. You can still purchase February if you like, but this is for March. Now we're going to go ahead and start painting the daffodil. A daffodil means regard in the illustrated language of flowers. And this month you would get a daffodil sticker, the print of this lovely daffodil, as well as a letter from me and a postcard that you can use. So yeah, so hopefully some of you might join us. I would love to have you join our art mail club. A great way to get mail and have some happy mail instead of just bills, right? But I had a lot of fun painting this daffodil. I haven't mixed too many colors yet, as you can see. I'm just trying to get the base colors down right now. I'm filling in as much yellow as I can. Now I'm doing a lighter green, so I mixed the yellow and the green to bring in a lighter green for some highlights and variation in the leaves. Currently, the mail club is available in my Etsy shop. So if you'd like to join us, that's where you can purchase it. Going back and adding different highlights and lowlights and shades, trying to get just the right color. Now adding some highlights to the flower. Trying to give some depth to the painting. So always try and add highlights and lowlights. Figure out where you want the light coming from in your picture, or if you're using a reference, where is it coming from in the reference? And just mixing in. I didn't use any blacks, but using the brown as my dark. I think, oh, that one little dab is black. So trying to use very little black because it's a very bright and sunny kind of flower. I wanted to add some more color to it so it wasn't just yellow. So trying to add in faint bit of orange. To give it a little bit more variety of color and depth. And pop. Between the oranges and the browns, it gives the flower more depth and shape. And then I went through and outlined it with a pen. I didn't realize that the camera had stopped, so I apologize. But I just went through with this fine liner pen and gave some more shape to some of the painting and some shading and some lines. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you would like a print of this, watch out for the posting in my Etsy shop, Mt Nittany Creations. It's a fun little mail to receive. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Take care.